Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by removing ear pads to access the headband and hinge. This exposes where tightness often originates. Once done, test the headband adjustment while listening for binding points and check for stuck screws or hardened foam. Make sure to use a soft cloth and small Phillips head to avoid stripping. You'll need mild silicone lubricant and a controlled amount. Too much attracts dirt. This step sets you up to safely release tension without damaging the clamping springs or finish. You'll now address the internal spring tension and hinge friction. This is the complex part because small changes matter. First, back out hinge screws a quarter turn on both sides to free up the pivot. Move the cups through their full range while you do this. Next, apply a tiny amount of silicone lubricant to the pivots and rub it in by opening and closing repeatedly. This reduces binding without gross overlubrication. Then carefully spread the headband in small steps, testing fit and clamping force as you go. You finish by reinstalling the ear pads in their exact orientation and performing a real-world test. Wear the headphones for 10 to 15 minutes to confirm comfort and acoustic seal. If you still feel excessive clamping, repeat the small spreading adjustments or consider replacing compressed foam or weakened springs because they permanently alter tension. Make sure to torque screws snugly, just an eighth turn if you hear rattles, because over-tightening reintroduces binding. If noise or imbalance remains,
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.